Freak you right, I will. I'll freak you right, I will. I'll stick my tongue out, speak that language, use my foreign skills.
Hi guys, jumping straight into the video today. So as you can see from the title today, I'm gonna be doing an everyday makeup look. Just demonstrating what I've been doing since recently, on a daily basis whenever I decide to wear makeup. A reminder though, I do not wear makeup every single day, but this is what I do when I feel like putting it on and keeping it simple. And I feel like this would definitely be perfect for back to school as well. As you can see, I first went ahead and primed my face with my LA Girl Pro Primer, and then I'm now highlighting with my PETITE-SUE concealer from Sistar Cosmetics. I use Golden Beige, and that's because I wanted to give the under eye, just the under eye, a pop. I love doing that like every time I do my makeup. And then for the nose bridge and the center of my forehead, which I also want to bring forward, I kind of want these parts to be a little bit less popping, so I go in with my Kat Von D concealer in warm, and then I usually just go over all of that, the highlighted portions, that is, with my Milani banana powder, which is very affordable. I really been loving this powder because it's so finely milled, and yeah, I really just love the way it sets everything in place, and basically mostly the texture. I balance out the rest of my face, and I've been using my Infallible from L'Oreal Paris powder since recently. This is in the shade Classic Tan. I forgot to mention this in a couple previous tutorials, but that's the shade I've been using, Classic Tan. And when it comes down to everyday makeup, guys, I don't usually do like contouring that much, because I usually want to keep things more subtle and very, neutral and more natural looking. So yeah, so this is pretty much all I do, just highlight and then balance out my face with my face powder. I go on the sides of my nose with the same face powder because the bridge is highlighted, so naturally it will still have that slim look. Yes, so I just keep on patting everything out and make sure everything is well balanced. Alright, this is how it's looking. Now I go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. I'm taking the contour shade from this palette in the crease of my eyes to give it a little bit of contour. Yes, that's what I'm doing, and it plays as a it's acting as a transition shade as well, and just kind of just break up that lightness on the lid. So I really like that look, yeah. So that's what I do for the eyes. That's literally all I do for the eyes. I'm done with that. No liners, no nothing. I now spray my face with my Badescu Cucumber water. This really melts everything in and make it looks very much like skin. And I press it in with my Damp Beauty sponge because it, as I said, it makes everything look so skin-like, and I really love that. Really love that. And then for highlighter, I'm going in with my Sam Marcel Chic highlighter, and I take not too much. This step is optional, by the way. You might be going to the office and you just want to not do this or whatever. It's totally up to you. It's optional. So, but I love to have a little glow going, so I still do this. Yeah. But this is like pretty much it. Now for the final portion, it's just lips. Well, before I move on to lips, eyelash, I almost forgot. Now, as you can see, I have a few lashes hanging on for dear life. As you know, I got my fusion lashes done by Lashed by LC. It's pretty much very close to that time for me to go and get like a full set again, which I can't wait to do. Yeah, I added some mascara to those though, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now for lips, I'm taking my Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Always On, and I felt like this was a beautiful nude, like it was perfect for me. And I went around that a bit with my NYX liner in Brown Cafe, and I left it matte because I really wanted this look to be like so neutral, so natural. I mean, it's every day, you really don't want to do too much. That is it, guys. It's so simple. Like, it's fresh faced, it's natural, and as I said, I feel like it's perfect for back to school as well because, as I said, it's natural and you really don't want to be doing too much, for that. And I tried to mix in affordable products in there as well, so I'm definitely going to list it in the description box, so check that out. yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it kept you informed. I hope you learned something. I hope it was simple enough for you to follow. If it was, give it a thumb up. The cut crease guide tutorial is coming in a few, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.